Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix over the top WWI game not launching or not opening, crashing, stuck on loading screen, black screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your PC and then check if the game is launching or not. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to run the game as admin. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator. Now click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. The next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next method is to launch or modify the launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -t x11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -t x12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to check for Windows update. So you must check if there is any update available for your Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows update option, click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get a repair or install option. Click on yes and wait for some time. After that, close this and now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall the game and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. So for that, go to settings and here you have to search for graphic settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here and after that click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue continues, then it's suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and then reinstall over the top WWI game and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve over the top WWI game crashing, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, pressing black screen, low FPS or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.